Today's video is gonna be all about pre and post-workout snacks. For me, years ago, I was so confused about pre and post-workout and what to eat and what not to eat, and I was so focused on eating the perfect thing that it just made me super confused and very frustrated with working out and with food. And so today, I wanna keep it super simple. I wanna share with you the best pre, post, and like during your workout snacks. I'm super excited to be collabing with iHerb in this video. I love iHerb so much and I order off of iHerb every single week. I just placed an order last night. I'm obsessed. Ask my husband Bo. They have over 35,000 different products. They ship to over 160 different countries, and if you need help, they have people that you can talk to, their customer service team, and they speak over 10 different languages. I'm super excited to show you guys all of my favorite pre, post, during workout snacks. Let's get into it. A great and one of my favorite pre-workout snacks is avocado toast. I love it because it gives you just enough fuel with your toast and carbs, and also a little bit of healthy fat and protein from the avocado, and you can put some nuts and seeds on top. Makes it super good, very filling. And then also another thing that I love for pre-workout is matcha. This is so good. I love these packets. I get this from iHerb, and I love matcha for pre-workout because it gives you just enough natural energy, and it's full of antioxidants and helps to boost your metabolism. So it's amazing. And then can we just talk about coconut water powder? That's right. You can turn your regular old water into coconut water with this powder. I am obsessed with this because it's so good for hydration and it provides your body with electrolytes. So this is a really good pre, during, and post-workout drink. And you can add this powder into anything like smoothies, whatever you want. So this is like my new favorite discovery ever. And I feel like I just found powdered gold and I put it in everything now. So it's amazing. Ideally, you want to refuel quickly after your workout. 30 minutes is kind of like the golden window that most people say, and I really agree. I think that you should really eat something right after you work out so that you can properly refuel, rehydrate, and just start rebuilding that muscle that you just tore down. So I love spinach, berries, almond milk, a little bit of chia seeds, vital proteins for sure, and then top with cacao nibs and goji berries. These are delicious and will provide your body with nutrients for your post-workout smoothie. Another one of my favorite post-workout little meals or snacks is making chia seed pudding, which is just taking like 1/4 of a cup of chia seeds and 1 cup of almond milk and letting it soak overnight, and then adding it in and topping with a smoothie that you've put protein powder in. I use Vital Proteins for all of it. And then I also really love acai bowls. So I really like things that are like chia seed pudding or smoothie bowls or acai bowls or just smoothies, because it's really easy to get that quickly into your body by just drinking it and immediately having that protein and the simple sugars and just everything that your body needs to recover. And I also just want to say, don't let the sun set on your good intentions to take care of yourself. Don't wait until Monday. Don't wait until the perfect time, the perfect day. Show up every day just as you are. Accept yourself. What propels us forward is not that we do everything right, but how we get up when we do something wrong. When you mess up, get up and keep getting up and keep loving yourself and keep forgiving yourself. So stop starting over tomorrow and just start today. Get up today because you can do it. You are way more capable than you ever could have even imagined. We're gonna keep things so simple here. The way that I personally like to do pre and post workout is pre-workout is carbs, and post-workout, I don't know why I'm using my thumbs, but post-workout is your protein and your simple sugars. So that's gonna be the easiest way to understand it. I'm not like a nutritionist or anything like that, but I found that that's just the way that my body responds best. The main thing is that your body loves glucose during your workouts. That's what your body just likes to burn, likes to use for energy, and so carbohydrates provide that for your body. It's a really great way to make sure that you're gonna have enough energy for your workouts, because there's nothing worse than getting to the gym and starting your workout and you feel awake, but then you realize, man, my body feels really fatigued, or I really don't feel like I have that extra like push in me. And eating the right amount of food, eating the right types of food before your workout can prevent that from happening and keep you fueled and energized, and honestly just not feeling sick during your workouts, because there's nothing worse to me than feeling like, oh my gosh, I literally feel sick right now, whether that be eating too much food or whether that not be like eating enough food. So for you and your body, you have to find what works for you. That's why the biggest thing is to listen to your body, because certain days, like some days I'll wake up and I'll be really full from the night before and I'm like, you know what? I don't really feel like eating anything right before my workout today. And I end up feeling good and I have enough energy and I don't feel weighed down, and it's just what my body wanted. Other days, I'm like, man, I really need a good breakfast, or I really want to have like a nice solid like pre-workout because I need it, because I feel like I'm low on energy and I want to have something to really give me that push and fuel me for this workout. Some examples of that are sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. I feel like those are just the perfect workout snack for me, whether I'm chopping them up and roasting them or just having like a baked sweet potato. I feel like I always have enough energy and I always feel like it just provides me with the best like focus, and I feel like sweet potatoes are just really good and my body responds really, really well to them. And then also I really have been loving like avocado toast. So I can't eat gluten, so I do gluten-free bread with some avocado on there. It's so good. It's just a great pre-workout for me. I love the healthy fats that you get in there from the avocado and the carbohydrates that you get from the bread. We can tend to categorize carbs as just like, I don't know, like bread and like pasta and things like that. But there's also carbohydrates in like bananas. That's why a lot of people like to eat banana for pre-workout. Like I really love half a banana sometimes when I'm not like super hungry. I love bananas. They help prevent cramping in your muscles, and they provide just really simple sugars and carbs for your body to burn and to use as fuel. I just think a banana with a little bit of peanut butter or almond butter, you could even do that on some toast. That's really good as well. So there's a lot of options for your pre-workout. And then also for your post-workout, to transition into that, again, the easiest way to remember it is protein and simple sugars. That's just what your body is able to use to rebuild, refuel. Your muscles have been torn down in the workout and now they need protein to rebuild. I've personally found that the best way to go is just a post-workout smoothie. Obviously there's so many things that you can eat post-workout, but that's just, for me, it's just the most simple thing to eat after workout. And when you put just like some protein powder in it, and obviously it's different for everybody, but even if you put chia seeds in there and blend it up, it's just a great way to get protein immediately into your body right after you work out so that you can immediately start recovering and to fuel your muscles quickly, because it's an easily digestible protein. So that's why I just like to put a scoop or two of Vital Proteins in there, and then have any type of like fruit or whatever you want to make your smoothie out of. But that's just a way for me to keep it really simple. Simple sugars with the fruit and protein from some type of protein powder. I like Vital Proteins. So that is like the easiest possible way for me to explain what works for me with post-workout, and hopefully that will work for you. For me, years ago, when I was trying to figure things out with health and fitness and with food, I was so scared to eat the wrong thing that it became a problem in my life. And I really struggled with binge eating for a really long time because I was so obsessed with, I have to eat exactly the right amount of food before my workout, and I need to eat the perfect amount of food after my workout, and I don't want to eat too many carbs, and I don't want to have too much sugar. And I was so obsessed with my image that it actually became something that was like really defeating for me, and it actually made me feel really miserable. And I just don't want you to feel that way. Like, I want you to enjoy working out. I want you to enjoy eating and taking care of your body. And so fueling your body with carbs is a good thing before your workout. What's not a good thing is to obsess about food and to say, I don't want to eat that because it's gonna ruin the way that my body looks. It's gonna ruin me. That's just a bunch of lies. I was never at peace with my body because I was never just allowing myself to just eat what my body wanted and what felt good. And I was always trying to follow some type of like perfect diet plan, or, you know, never overeat something. But what it ended up leading me into was restrictive eating, and it ended up making me feel bad about myself and bad about my body. And I was never satisfied with what I looked like. And so it was never something that was actually like enjoyable for me because I was constantly trying to improve what I saw in the mirror. I was never happy. In fact, I was so obsessed with it that it became the only thing that I thought about. It was the number one thing on my mind, and I was just obsessed. I was obsessed with food. I was obsessed with my image, and we don't have to be that way. You can just be at peace with your body. I really do believe that there's so much peace that comes with just accepting yourself right where you're at right now and giving yourself grace and love. And there's just nothing that's more freeing and nothing that's more strong than that. I just feel like the strongest thing that you can ever do is look in the mirror and accept yourself. And that's what's gonna get you, that's what's gonna change everything for you. It's not obsessing about things and trying to not eat too much sugar or not eat too many carbs, because I was afraid of the word carb and sugar for a really long time because I was so obsessed with what I looked like. And it's just like, we don't have to live like that. We don't have to live in fear of not having a perfect body. Like, you're already perfect, we're already perfect. We just need to accept ourselves. And that is truly what takes the greatest strength. I believe that is so strong, and I just can't think of a stronger thing that a woman can do than to just say, I love my body and I accept my body. I know that you can do that too. I know that you can be at peace with your body too. And if you haven't been, maybe it's been a really long time since you've felt confident in the mirror, confident with yourself, or just maybe you just feel like you're at war with your body and you're just at war with the mirror constantly. You don't have to keep fighting. Like, you don't have to keep fighting anymore. You can just say, you know what? I'm just done with all of this. And the day that I gave up was the day that I found complete peace and a newfound joy in my life, when I actually took my eyes off of myself and took my eyes off of the mirror. And there's so much freedom and there's so much joy to be found in that, is to not be obsessed with our image, because it's not everything. It's just a small little portion of who we are. What's beautiful is what's on the inside, because I believe that beauty really is not seen with the eyes. And that's why I think the strongest thing we can do is love ourselves. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you want a discount on your next order on iHerb, check out the link below. I've linked all the products, and I just love iHerb so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the emails. If you're missing out on them, you don't want to miss out anymore, because they're free. I send them out every Wednesday. Soul encouragement, fitness tips, recipes, so many good things in there, and it's all free. It's all for you. It's written from my heart to yours, and you can follow me on Instagram as well. I just love hanging out with you guys, responding to your comments, talking to you, encouraging each other, and just living our best, healthiest life, and just cheering each other on. And it's just so awesome. I just love you guys so much. So leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite food is to eat post-workout. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
My shoes.
Oh. Post notifications. Subscribe. Don't forget to click like, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Subscribe, post notifications, favorite this video to come back to the recipes.
Share with a friend.
Share, friends. Share with a friend. Share.
Did we mention the emails?
Emails.
Yes.
Instagram.
Get it?
We're good? Okay, make sure you tell me if my hair catches on fire from the candle.